First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To export contacts from iPhone to Excel, run the software. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your iPhone. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Click Contacts, then all the contacts on your iPhone will be displayed in the interface. To transfer contacts from your iPhone to Excel, tick off the contacts you want, click Export, choose the CSV file format, then select a location on the computer to save.